3429, we've got a report of a disturbance at the west corner of Eastwood and Pine. Respond.
Alright, we've got an MIC here, and that's a minor in consumption.
A minor in consumption. Minor in consumption.
That's when they have cans and they're holding them to their selfish selves.
Oh, like.
Oh, wait, talk to him right now.
Hey, sir, we're gonna need you to step out of the car. We're gonna need you to step out of the car, please.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh.
We need you to say.
Okay,
put
yeah.
the cans down. Put the cans down. Oh, he's booking it. He's booking right for it. Get in. Get in. We gotta get this guy.
Stop your vehicle!
Gotta get this guy. Pull over.
Stop it!
Stop right there.
Alex, got him! Okay, bring your guy over here!
I love you.
Okay, he's clean. They're both clean right now.
Yeah, we're good.
Stay back down.
I don't know why you pulled me over.
Keep down.
Up.
Wait, one of those. Hand that over here.
No, sir.
Hand that over here. Wait, what is this? What is this? Cream of mushroom? Oh my god.
Let me go check if there's more. Is there anything in the trunk, sir?
Nothing in there.
There's nothing on the vehicle.
In there? We got more. We got more.
More cream of mushroom.
More cream of mushroom.
Cream of mushroom.
This is
doesn't
the
have
most.
cream of mushroom.
This is,
Safeway, it's on
Hands
sale.
on the vehicle.
It's on sale. It's on sale.
and there's corn. Are you serious? I think there's something wrong with you. You need help to stop.
Sorry, baby. I love you.
Hands back on the vehicle.
I love you. I love cans.
What are you?
I love cans.
Alex, I got him.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll bring it back here.
I was just messing. Dude.
Back on the.
Hey, face on the hood this
Go.
time.
Take out the sunglasses.
Okay.
All right.
I'm
Are
done.
you
I'm done.
donate him?
I'll
Donate him.
donate them.
Okay.
Are you
I'll
any
donate
a
him.
part of this?
I'm not a part of this.
sorry.
I thought he quit. I thought he
Get back on.
quit.
I'm Kyle.
Stephanie,
What are you gonna do?
What are you guys gonna do now?
we're gonna donate.
We're gonna donate.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Tried to make me go to rehab, but I said no.
Get down!
Oh, God! Oh, okay.